Alright, so I'm going to take this apart. Little pine cone. Yeah, I'm taking it apart, buddy. He just comes over here, has to see what I'm doing. Okay, buddy. Can I take it apart? Am I allowed, buddy? You see this? So bossy. Buddy. Doesn't seem like there's one. Buddy, can I finish what I'm doing? Yeah, you gotta let me. Okay. Go check.
This one doesn't seem to have any. Some of them did, but all printed away on the trees. Squirrels chew them down a lot of times.
Oh yeah, look at that. I found one. Yeah, right there. Yeah, get it. Almost. Good job. Yeah, there you go. All right, so I'm just going to take these apart. Buddy's going to come over and do his thing. This is what he does. Good job. Yeah, we found some.